Today I want to talk to you about our big block forward water inlet kit. This fits a 429 and 460. This will bolt to your timing cover in place of where your water pump would normally go. If you've already got a marine motor and you have one of the cast aluminum plates, this will replace that. The kit consists of 3 parts: your left inlet, your block off plate, and your right inlet. The inlets are made out of 6061 T6 aluminum. We offer them in a bare finish, as you see here, as well as a black anodized finished. They come with a silicone O-ring, no glue, no gaskets required. The kit comes standard with stainless steel socket head cap screw hardware. You can also alternatively upgrade it to have ARP stainless steel hardware. The block off plate is made out of 304 stainless and laser etched with our logo and the part number. The water inlets both have their part number on the back side as well. If you want to purchase one of these, you can head on over to our website, www.drewbuilt.com/shop. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe and hit the little bell icon. It'll notify you every time we make a new video. Thanks.